Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we find ourselves in the heart of Hokkaido, at the historic and stunning Lake Toya. Known for its crystal clear waters and the 4 islands that dot its center, Lake Toya is a testament to the serene beauty of Japan. I'll be spending the next 24 hours here to take in all the beauty and historical significance this place has. Approximately 110,000 years ago, a volcanic eruption caused a great amount of pyroclastic flow, which then carved out the lake we have today. Lake Toya, known as a caldera lake, is a symbol of the dynamic natural forces that have shaped this land. Its history is as deep as its waters, and its beauty is as timeless as the tale it inspires. Here you can immerse yourself in a variety of activities, from boating on the tranquil lake, hiking around the picturesque landscapes, to bathing in the healing onsens. Lake Toya offers an experience that is both invigorating and soothing. And what better way to experience Lake Toya than staying at the Lakeview Toya Nonokaze resort? This renowned hotel, right by the lake, offers a harmonious blend of luxury and nature. So, how did I get here? I start my journey from Tokyo Station, taking the Grand Class Shinkansen to Hakodate. The train ride is comfortable overall, and the onboard dining is simple and delicious. I enjoy a Japanese-style iced coffee with a yuzu pastry, along with a small meal. Then taking the JR Limited Express train to Toya Station. Upon arriving to the resort, I'm greeted at the lounge with a cup of freshly roasted coffee made right in the check-in area. The lounge is well furnished and curated nicely with subtle decor, giving the overall feeling of hospitality and warmth, juxtaposed by the moody skies outside. The central lobby reveals a grand panoramic window with a larger view of Lake Toya. I check into my stay, a premier 2-bedroom with a private indoor onsen bath. A large central window reveals a breathtaking view of Lake Toya and Nakajima Island in the distance. I step outside for a brief lunch at a Hamburg steak restaurant nearby the resort, perfect for rainy days like these. I enjoy an aglio e olio pasta with Hamburg steak and coffee jelly to top it off. One of my favorite parts about the Japanese countryside is the freshness of its food. The ingredients combined with their cooking methodology. You can just really taste the heart and soul put into each dish. After my brief lunch, the gray skies start to clear up, so I decide to go to Lake Toya Park to capture the dreamlike scenery. Cherry blossoms have started to bloom in the northern region of Hokkaido, making for a captivating visual palette of blues and pinks throughout the painterly landscape. I decide to take the ferry from Lake Toya Park to Nakajima Island. The sounds of the still waters, along with the quiet onboard passengers, make for a time of unexpected relaxation. The views of the mountain ranges and passing islands give me a chance to feel nothing but gratefulness for the beautiful reality that is unfolding before me. I arrived to Nakajima Island, the hidden gem of Lake Toya. It's quiet and peaceful from first impression. I spend the next hour embracing Mother Nature's scenery and, of course, the elegant swans roaming around the territory. More and more I spend time in Japan's stunning nature, I always feel a sense of solace and relief from the long journey. It gives me a moment to meditate and put me in a state of ebb and flow, where nothing feels abrasive and I'm in a constant state of euphoric comfort. I head back to the mainland and back to Nonokaze for dinner. The next morning, I wake up to see clear skies, creating a postcard-worthy landscape piece. The reflection of Nakajima cascading over the waters of Lake Toya almost doesn't look real. I decide to take a relaxing bath in my private onsen, where I feel the strain on my body quickly evaporate like the steam of the water. There's something to be said about leaving your phone and distractions behind and spending a few moments in onsen water. I find it to be a healing and spiritual experience. This morning, I ponder and think back on the time spent from yesterday to now, and the feeling of gratefulness still persists. Lake Toya is a place I would recommend anyone to visit when in Japan. The unmatched scenery, top-grade hospitality from Nonokaze Resort, along with the peacefully silent atmosphere of the area, truly makes this one of my favorite getaway locations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more immersive travel content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.